morning. So it is Vlogmas day 2. I'm so excited for Vlogmas. You know, I thought it was gonna be a lot of work, but I'm ready for it. If you're new here, my name is Jackie, and I love to do hauls, some makeup looks, some fashion inspo, some car vlogs. If that's something you'd be interested, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. If I'm in the same outfit as Vlogmas day 1, I needed to do the intro and outro because I started filming and I didn't even start to say what I was doing. So yes, I'm wearing my DIY blazer, my hat, and I'm loving it. Today is supposed to be super cold, and they're talking about SNOW for tomorrow. So I don't know, man. I would hate to have to waste one of my PTO days. But you know me, I don't like to drive in the snow. So, yes. I don't have too much planned for today. I have to go to work. And then I'm coming home. I'm going to make some steak. And I got to wrap some stuff. But I have a package from Shein that I wanted to show you because I got a jacket. And Jack, walk and talk. Hopefully I'm in focus. I know the last video all you were focusing on was my steering wheel, and hopefully I'm in focus. Con Dios y la Virgen, let's go. So yeah, I saw this jacket on TikTok, right? And you guys have probably seen it as well. It's that suede balloon-like jacket. It's not a coat, really. And I was saying how I don't know if I wanted to get it because it didn't have any pockets. And I found the exact same thing. The image looks exactly the same. I haven't opened up the package yet. But I wanted to show it to you guys because it was a lot less than what it was on TikTok. And for the same jacket, you might as well. So yeah, I got that jacket and I picked up those olive green booties from TJ Maxx when I was in the city the last time I showed you guys, and I feel like it'd be a perfect match. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. And then I got a truckload of nails because, you know, I started picking up a lot of nails and I've loved them. I don't have any on right now, but I have gotten like the 12 pack, 24 pack, even the 10 pack, and the 10 ones I love because the design is so nice. But if it don't fit, it don't fit. You don't have anything extra. So I ordered from Shein a truckload of nails, but the 24 pack, because sometimes I want to use them again in another occasion. And what happens is that one of the nails actually cracks straight down the middle. That's what I've noticed, that they've been cracking straight down the middle. And I think it's because, you know, at work I'm working with rolled coin, and when I grab it, it probably, like, you know, splits in half. So I wanted to get something with more than just the 10, the 12, you know, that I could wear like a second time. And they're only $1 something, so it's not like it's a big deal. But if you really like the design, you know, why not? So I got a truckload of nails in there. I got a cardigan, and I think that's it. But I saw this quote from Anusta. Anusta is like one of the higher class vendors on Shein, and it's like a long, it kind of looked like a shearling coat, like a long shearling coat. And I had given my husband a list of what I wanted, and he was like, you didn't put much thought into it. Listen, buddy, it's like I always say, if I want it, it's on the way. So I said to him that I wanted the coat. So I had already ordered it because it's on sale. It was on Black Friday sale from $165. It was on sale to $92. And I had coin and I had something else, some other coupon. And so I got it for a lot less. And I said to him, so he was like, put it on the list. No, because it's on sale now. So I said to him, if you gonna get it, you're gonna pay the $165. So he was like, all right, so get it and then I'll quick pay you. That was perfectly fine because I had already purchased it. But I'm excited for that coat. Now, I was a little iffy to ask for the coat, only because you know that the closet rod with all my coats fell off the wall. And this one, well, I have 3 on the way. I have that one, I have something else that I had ordered, and I feel like that rod is gonna come down again. And I tried to go through my coats and put stuff aside that I'm not gonna wear, but I wear all my stuff, you know. So I was like, even this, when I picked this up from Goodwill, because you know the blazer I got from Goodwill from the men's department, I took you guys, and I was a little bit like, ugh, because it's my jacket. Like today I'm wearing it as a jacket. It's a corduroy, it's very heavy, it's got shoulder pads, which I love, but I didn't need another blazer. I just didn't want to do my first patchworks on a good blazer that I really like and then be like, ugh, it didn't come out. Like in my mind I was thinking that I was gonna iron it and it was gonna like smear and pull apart like Play-Doh, like, and I was gonna ruin the stuff. Girl, that is not how this works. But that was the thought that I had, you know. I'm gonna go to iron it and it's gonna melt and it's gonna be a disaster. No, it was actually very easy. My eyes are watering. It was very, very easy, and you know, I was so impressed. And my husband was like, wow, you know, I showed him my hat, I showed him the blazer, and he was like, wow, because I kept saying it, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and he was like, that looks like a lot of work, and you know, how you gonna do that? Because I think he thought I was gonna sew it. No, man. But I'm very happy with how it turned out. And this sun is bright. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'm so excited to try something else. What I want to do next are some... Is this a bus stop? I think so. I think so. Yes, it's a bus stop. What I want to do next are the jorts. Jorts? Is that what it's called? You know, the long shorts that people have been wearing with their thigh-high boots. I want to do something like that with one of the denim pieces that I cut up myself and did. I feel like that would be nice to have patchwork on it. That's the next thing I have. And then I want to try something with one of my fedora hats. And I'm a little nervous about that because I love my hats and I don't want to ruin them. But I'm pretty confident that it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. But it was like I was telling you in the video, I had that mitten that I use when I steam. Don't use that because it's going to leave a mark, like a line, because you're putting your stuff on the highest setting. So it's borderline about to burn your material. But you need it to melt the glue on the patches. So, yeah. And, you know, the other thing was that it said to iron the outside with the parchment paper, but also iron the inside so that the inside, which is more of the glue part, is, you know, melted and it sticks on good. But with the way I did it, I feel like it was fine. So I didn't do anything else. But yeah, I'm already at work. I will pick this up either at lunch or when I get out and I show you guys the Shein haul. Just got home. I'm making some onions. I got my steak. Gonna make some steak with some rice. I gotta wrap some eggs. But there's somebody there. I got the wrapping paper. I got tissue paper. I got some bags. I just need, I don't know. To have something in the car to just would be nice, you know. I don't know if you can see, and I don't know if I said to you guys yesterday, I made a concoction. I did baking soda and peroxide, and I put it all over my hair for an hour to remove the black, and it did nothing, because I'm noticing that I can see a lot of the gray more than when I had it the burgundy color. So I think I'm gonna go back to the burgundy, but I wanted to remove or lift the black, and it didn't do nothing. It didn't do nothing. So I mean, it looks like it tried to do something, but it didn't. So I have a box of the dye for probably not today, maybe Wednesday. Today's Monday, maybe like Wednesday it should be enough, but I don't know if you can see. But yeah, no. And I did it like not even 2 weeks ago, and look. So I think I'm going back to the burgundy. But I had seen this girl on TikTok. She had did like half a cup of peroxide, 1 cup of baking soda. I have the baking soda that I almost used the whole box, and did like a paste and put it all over the hair. Pay attention. And it went from like black to like a soft like brown. So I was like, okay, but it didn't do that for me. So I think I'm gonna just drop the dye regular and see how it goes. So I'm making rice. I'm gonna put my steak in. I'm gonna make a little salad, and that's it. So that is it for Vlogmas Day 2. I will see you mañana.